Dude, this place is fucking A, man. I mean, where else in Delhi could you get a trail like this and like a place to brush up your skills? So today I have an office friend, Guneev. He's been down this road a couple of times, and he's just had some work done on his bike. So the trail is this way, and there is no direction. Like, at least over here you see arrows on these rocks and stuff like that. Once you head on this trail, there's nothing basically. So I hope Guneev and me can hold this up today. And yeah, let's fucking ride some! Right, so we've got our man Guneev in front of us, and he is riding a 350. I don't know what's the model called, but it's supposed to be an off-roader. He's just got some suspension work done on it, and today is probably the first day that he's thrashing it here. Alright, get ready, Guneev. Not bad at all. Whoa! Check that out! Alright, so we've come up this small little uphill here because there was a dead end up ahead, but we followed some tire marks down one of the trails, and led me to believe that this is probably going to be a nice trail. And by the way, these boots, they're by TCX. I got them a little before our Ladakh trip. They've just opened up so beautifully right now. Like, it's the most comfortable thing that it's like almost as closest to wearing a Vans right now. Though these are only like till the lower shin. You can see a lot of knee guys here. We just saw one. That could be fatal. Oh, nice. So I like how this trail has got everything. Like, it's got super rocks, it's got a little bit of sand, it's got plain, like, flattened mud. Like, there are sections that are super gnarly. Like, check this out, bro. Beautiful. Like, I know it's best to sort of fly over these, but this is nice. This is nice to do once in a while. Oh, man. Alright, It wasn't his side stand, it was the brake lever, and I can see it bent. So I gotta stop and check out. Oh, holy fuck. Alright, so update is that we got to do a U-turn and get the fuck out of here because Guneev is thrashed his brake pedal pretty bad and now he doesn't have rear brakes. Well, easy boy, easy. Alright, now the task from here is going to be to try and figure out which route we came through. It is going to be tricky. Dude, but what a fucking trail. I got to come here again. The only fuck up is coming here alone. Like if this shit were about to happen to me alone, you're basically fucked. Stand, Guneev, stand. Alright, so far so good. I remember a little bit of all of this. I think we are heading right. Plus the fact that most of this is downhill. Ah. All right. So today's ride is going to end here, and I don't think I'm going to be able to cover much, but I can say whatever we covered today was fucking beautiful.